I'm Benni Knop and welcome to Noisy Post Studio. I thought it was time that I did a tour and showed off the space that I've been working in and creating my YouTube videos. Over the past 12 months, my wife and I have built this 5 by 3 metre space in our property in Melbourne. Currently, I'm mixing in a 7.1 setup. 5.1 of that is PMC, and I have 2 Cali Audio in5s for the rears. At the moment, I'm testing them out because the long-term plan is to go to 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos using Cali Audios in the ceiling and for the rears, and then keeping my 5.1 PMC setup. As you can see behind me, I've got an 85-inch projector screen that is great for clients to come and watch their films and also for me to play video games on. For those of you who don't already follow my channel, I work both in Avid Pro Tools as well as Davinci Resolve Fairlight. In both these situations, I have different mixer setups. When I'm working in Pro Tools, I have the Artist Mix with the Avid dock, and when I'm working in Davinci Fairlight, I have the Fairlight desktop console, and they've also kindly lent me the audio editor for the time being. For an audio interface, I'm using the Mo2 Ultralight Mark V. It's got just the right amount of outputs for 7.1 and also a software monitor control that works great. I will be upgrading this audio interface when I move to Dolby Atmos because it doesn't have the right outputs, but there's more news to come on that. The one thing that I bought recently for my Dolby Atmos upgrade, and I'm really excited about, is the Tone Winner AT300. This is basically a home theater head unit that decodes Dolby Atmos. It has a whole bunch of XLRs on the back, so you can just run Dolby Atmos straight into the inputs of your audio interface. It means that I can then monitor and listen to Dolby Atmos content through my setup with SonarWorks. Let's talk about SonarWorks. Because I mostly have PMCs, but I'm now introducing a different speaker, the Cali Audio in5s, into my setup, particularly when I go to Dolby Atmos, I need SonarWorks because I need them all to be as flat as possible, and so that I don't notice a big change when I'm spinning things around the room. If you want to watch a video on my SonarWorks setup, I've got one up here, or you can see in the description below. Not only am I a working professional, I'm also a YouTuber, so this space has been adopted for both. I don't want my clients to come in here and feel like they're in a YouTube studio, so I've had to do some tricky things with hiding lights and all that kind of stuff. I'm really excited about the future in this space, whether it's working with clients or creating YouTube content for you, as well as making courses. And if you're interested in my courses, please go to noisypost.com.au and sign up for my newsletter. And as a special gift, you're going to get my stereo Pro Tools template as well for free. So this is my studio. I hope you feel welcome. And if you have any questions about it, please write in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.